How to cancel a claim on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you learn how you can cancel a claim on AirHelp. So how can you cancel a claim? The first step is to visit the AirHelp website and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu display options like home, trips, claims, lounges. Click on claims in order to be taken to your claims page. So on this page, you would see your compensation claims. All right. Under this tab, you see all of your compensation claims being displayed here. So once you can see all of that, select the claim that you would like to cancel. So after selecting the claim that you'd like to cancel, by clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear, or you would see a list of buttons. Just click on the cancel claim button. All right, once you click on the cancel claim button, you'll be asked if you're sure that you'd like to cancel the claim. Select yes, then follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation, and then the claim would be cancelled successfully, just like that. So this is how you can cancel a claim on AirHelp. Thank you for watching and have a good day.